Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Hydro Flask flip-up lid is probably one of the most versatile and convenient accessories you can add to your favorite water bottle, transforming it into an even more indispensable companion for all your adventures, whether you're hitting the gym, heading to the office, or exploring the great outdoors, ensuring you can stay hydrated with ease and style, making it a must-have for any Hydro Flask owner looking to upgrade their hydration experience. Number 5. Hydro Cell Insulated Water Bottle. Experience drinks that stay ice cold for 24 hours or hot for 12. This bottle is your perfect companion for any adventure, ensuring the coldest refreshment. Find the perfect fit for your life. With various sizes available, from compact to large, it's ideal for school, work, sports, or travel. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this bottle is built to last. Its leak-proof design means you can toss it in your bag worry-free. Designed for active lifestyles, it fits most cup holders, making it perfect for the gym or on-the-go hydration during workouts. Make a sustainable choice by replacing single-use plastics. Available in stylish colors, it's perfect for everyday hydration and outdoor adventures. What we like? This bottle offers exceptional insulation, keeping drinks cold for 24 hours and hot for 12. It comes in a wide range of sizes to suit any need, from small to extra large. If you need a reliable bottle for various activities and appreciate having plenty of size options, this is a great choice. What people say. The flip-up lid is very convenient for drinking on the go. It fits perfectly on my Hydro Flask bottle and doesn't leak. The straw mechanism is easy to use and clean. Number 4. RAYMYLO 32 ounces Insulated Water Bottle. Experience drinks kept icy cold for up to 24 hours or perfectly warm for 12 hours. Our advanced triple-wall vacuum insulation ensures your beverage is always at the ideal temperature. Never fear a spill again. Our full-seal leak-proof lids, with both spout and straw options, guarantee a secure and mess-free experience, no matter where your adventures take you. Equipped with an iconic paracord handle featuring a compass and carabiner, this flask is your perfect companion for camping, hiking, and all outdoor activities. Crafted from premium, BPA-free stainless steel, it ensures a clean and healthy drinking experience. The wide mouth makes refills and cleaning a breeze, while the powder coating prevents condensation. Your purchase includes the bottle, a carrying pouch, both straw and spout lids with accessories, and cleaning brushes. We also provide continuous after-sales service for your peace of mind. What we like? Featuring triple-wall vacuum insulation for superior temperature retention, this bottle also boasts a unique paracord handle with a compass and carabiner, perfect for outdoor adventures. If you're an avid hiker or camper who values both functionality and rugged style, this is the bottle for you. What people say. The lid is easy to use and does not leak. It fits perfectly on my Hydro Flask and makes it so much easier to drink from. The flip-up straw is convenient for on-the-go hydration. Number 3. Hydro Flask 32 ounces wide mouth straw lid. Enjoy effortless hydration with our innovative straw lid. It's completely leak-proof, making it easy to take cold refreshments on the go. Transporting your bottle is a breeze thanks to the integrated carry loop. It's designed for a comfortable and secure grip wherever you venture. Crafted from 18-8 pro-grade stainless steel, this bottle ensures lasting durability. You can count on a pure taste with no unwanted flavor transfer. Our Temp Shield insulation technology keeps your beverages ice cold for up to 24 hours or piping hot for up to 12 hours. Stay refreshed or warm, no matter the duration. The Color Last powder coat not only adds vibrant color but also provides a slip-free grip. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Designed for adventure, it fits most backcountry water filters. Stay hydrated and prepared on all your outdoor excursions. What we like? This bottle is crafted from durable, pro-grade stainless steel and features Temp Shield insulation for excellent temperature control. Its Color Last powder coat is dishwasher safe and slip-free. If you prioritize a durable bottle with a long-lasting, attractive finish that's easy to clean, this option is ideal. What people say. The flip-up lid is a game-changer for easy drinking on the go. It fits perfectly on my Hydro Flask and doesn't leak. The straw inside makes it convenient to drink without tilting the bottle. Number 2. Hydro 2Go Wide Mouth Water Bottle Flip Lid. This lid is specifically designed for wide mouth water bottles, fitting popular brands and sizes. Please check your bottle's opening to ensure compatibility. Enjoy convenient one-handed access to your drink. Simply press the button to open, keeping your other hand free for other tasks. Keep your spout clean and your bag dry. The flip cover prevents dust, and the silicone gasket ensures a leak-proof seal. Made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, this lid is impact-resistant and odorless. It's safe for everyone and even dishwasher safe. Experience maximum water flow with the wide mouthpiece and effortless opening. It also comes with a strap for easy carrying on the go. Add a personal touch with interchangeable anti-slip strips. Mix and match colors to express your unique style. What we like. This lid offers convenient one-handed operation with a simple button press, and a dust-proof cover for hygiene. It also includes an easy carry strap for portability. If you're looking for a lid that allows for quick sips on the go without fumbling, especially during workouts or while multitasking, this is a fantastic accessory. What people say. The lid is easy to use and carry. It fits perfectly on my Hydro Flask bottle. The flip-up straw is convenient for drinking on the go. Number 1. DBIW Replacement Chug Lid for Wide Mouth Bottles. Stay hydrated with ease using this innovative lid. Its design allows for one-handed drinking in a 100% leak-proof seal, so you can confidently take it anywhere. This lid is designed to perfectly fit your favorite wide mouth bottles, including Hydro Flask, Nalgene, and Thermoflask. Please ensure your bottle model is compatible before purchasing. Enjoy safe and mess-free hydration with this solid chug lid. Simply twist to open for a smooth sip and close tightly for a secure seal, perfect for any activity. Crafted from premium, BPA-free materials, this lid is built for health and longevity. It's also top-rack dishwasher safe for simple and convenient cleaning. As a proud U.S. brand, we are committed to providing high-quality replacement parts. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we offer reliable customer support. Our upgraded spout opens with just a half turn, allowing for quick, one-handed drinking. It aligns seamlessly with your bottle for a sleek, unified look. Enhance your bottle with this best-selling chug lid, designed for fast hydration and everyday durability. It's the ultimate accessory for fitness enthusiasts and travelers alike. What we like. Engineered for maximum flow and a 100% leak-proof seal, this lid also features a comfortable soft handle for easy carrying. It's designed for effortless, one-handed drinking and a secure seal. If you need a reliable, high-flow lid that's truly spill-proof and comfortable to transport, this is an excellent upgrade for your bottle. What people say. The straw is very sturdy and does not collapse. It is easy to clean and the straw is removable. The lid fits perfectly on my Hydro Flask and does not leak. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.